Hi there and welcome to our series on how to use Statbot. In today's video, we will be looking at how to navigate the dashboard to get to seeing your stats and getting to your administrator settings. So let's hop right into it. When you're ready to access the Statbot dashboard, you head over to your browser and type in statbot.net. And this will take you to our landing page, as you can see right in front of me here. We have our main landing page with the invite a bot, be able to select a language. We support these languages at this time, and a button to go to the dashboard. It also gives you an overview of what Statbot can do, how many servers Statbot is in, and just some basic information to get you started on everything you need to know about Statbot. Let us head over to the dashboard and have a closer look. You come up here and click onto your dashboard button, which will take you to this main screen. Now, I am already logged in, but usually there will be a login button right here at the top, and you will click that and it will direct you to your Discord account to authorize login. Once you have authorized, you will come over into this page, which should show all of your Discord servers. If you are not on this page, you can head back up to where your name and icon is, and you can click on My Servers, and this will load onto this page again. Now we are going to navigate to our Discord server stats, which is available to see on the dashboard section of the website for your server. So you will hover over your chosen server. I'm just going to use our Statbot server. I'm going to click on dashboard, and this will take us over to the statistics dashboard, where you can see all the analytics and the overviews, and you'll have multiple tabs on the side to see different kinds of stats. Mainly, you will have access to the overview, messages, voice, and status, with the next four, activity, analytics, member drill downs, and channel drill down, being available with premium. If you do wish to see our premium packages, you can do so by simply clicking the premium button at the very top of the page. You will also see at the top of the statistics dashboard, there is filters to be able to change settings. These filters include the look back, which is how far back you will see stats from the moment you are viewing the dashboard. You will also see the user type, which is either include users or bots or both. You will have voice states, which is normal, AFK, deafened, muted. Then you'll see the channels one, which will allow you to filter out to see channels either via the whitelist or the blacklist. You'll also have the option to add member filters and with premium role filters. Next, you can check the settings portion. There is two ways to do this. The first way is to click on the settings right above your stats pages on the left-hand side of the website. The other way, which I will show you now, is you will go back to My Servers as we did before, and then you'll head over to your server and you'll click on Settings. As you can see, we are on the General tab of the Settings part of the website. This is only available to people with the administrator permission within your server, or if you have turned on certain settings, you can give access to this section to people in other means. we have multiple different settings tabs on the side here. Your general tab is for general bot settings and dashboard settings. Your stats tab controls everything related to your stats visibility, how far back you want to see things, what units you want to view things in, the time zone that you want your stats to be viewed in, voice states, users or bots, all the things you could need to adjust how you see stats on your commands or the dashboard can be changed here. This is also where you will find the data management section, which involves the aggregated channels and the message history sync. These are two things that I will review in the future in their own videos, as there is some more complicated things related to these two and settings and so on that we would like to cover and make sure that you're able to find what you need. Next, we have the Statdocs section. In the Statdocs section, you can see all the Statdocs we have made and also on and off in the Statbot server at this time, which you can join at this moment if you need support for Statbot. Feel free to hit the support button at the very top and you will get an invite directly to our Discord server for help with the bot. Next, we are looking at statroles. This can only be set up via the dashboard. These settings is for setting up roles given for activity within your Discord server. Next, we are looking at the permissions tab. In this section, you can change things like elevating the managed server permission so that anybody who has managed server is able to also use the administrator dashboard the same way that someone with admin would, and they will also be able to do commands that are administrator specific. This is a great way to very quickly give access to someone who maybe manages the bots in your server. You will also see some overlapping permission settings from the general tab here. And also the allow stat roles above user roles, which allows that somebody can select basically a Discord role above their chosen Discord role in your server. We also have the advanced tab, which we will be doing a dedicated video on, as this basically allows you to assign the ability to use parts of the dashboard to roles, and there is a lot of settings here to go through, and we will discuss that in future. Next, you will see the audit log. The audit log basically tells you what did happen on this server in the last X period of time. For example, you can see there, Linda, our developer, made a change to the time zone. And this allows you to see all those kind of things. So if somebody in your administrator team made a change and you realize something's changed and you're wondering who changed it, here you can see who changed it, when was it changed, and what was changed. Next, we have the subscriptions tab. This will show if you have any active subscriptions, expiring subscriptions, so they are no longer going to auto renew, or they have ended already. Note that subscriptions cannot be managed from this page. We will have a user specific guide in the future that goes over user settings and working with subscriptions. Finally, we have the developers tab. I'm not clicking on that right now, as that has got our API key and so on in, but Statbot does offer API keys for you to access the data that we record within our database via that API. You require all of the premium upgrades for it, and we will likely look into doing a guide on that in the future as well. And there you go. That's everything you need to know to navigate the Statbot dashboard and get started using Statbot. In future, we will go over all the settings and all of the dashboard pages that is available to you. Be sure to stick around, and we hope you have a great day. Goodbye.